Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Learnings. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. We're so happy you're here today.
In today's lesson, we're going to talk about something fun, hobbies and free time.
Yes, the question we'll focus on is, what do you do for fun?
This is a very common question in English. People use it to start friendly conversations.
That's right. When you meet someone new, this question helps you learn about their interests.
So today, we'll show you how to answer this question, how to ask it, and how to keep the conversation going.
We'll also learn new words and phrases you can use to talk about your hobbies and what you enjoy doing.
By the end of this video, you'll be ready to talk about your free time like a native English speaker. Hey Emily, what do you do for fun?
Good question. I like to read books and watch movies. What about you?
I love playing guitar and going for long walks.
Oh, that sounds relaxing. How often do you play the guitar?
Almost every day. It helps me feel calm and creative.
That's great. I read in the evenings before bed. It helps me sleep better.
Nice. So, reading and music, we both have relaxing hobbies.
Exactly. What do you do for fun, everyone? Tell us in the comments. Vocabulary and examples, Part 1. Now let's learn some useful words and phrases to talk about hobbies and fun activities. 1. Hobby. A hobby is something you do for fun in your free time. Examples: my hobby is painting. I have many hobbies like reading and cooking. Do you have a hobby? 2. Free time. This means time when you're not working or studying. Examples: I like to listen to music in my free time. What do you do in your free time? I don't have much free time during the week. 3. Go out. To leave your house to do something fun. Examples: I go out with my friends every weekend. Let's go out for dinner tonight. Do you like to go out or stay home? 4. Hang out. Spend time with friends. Examples: I hang out with my friends at the park. On Sundays, I hang out with my family. Let's hang out tomorrow. 5. Watch movies. To see films for fun. Examples: I like to watch movies on Netflix. Let's watch a movie tonight. What kind of movies do you like?
1. At the park. Hey Emily, nice to see you here. What are you doing?
Hi, Paul. I'm just relaxing. I love coming here in my free time.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I usually come here to go jogging.
Oh, do you jog often?
Yes, almost every morning. It gives me energy for the day.
That's awesome. I should try jogging too.
You should. Maybe we can jog together sometime.
Vocabulary and examples, Part 2. 6. Relax. To rest and feel calm. Examples: I like to relax on weekends. A cup of tea helps me relax. Reading relaxes me. 7. Go jogging. To run slowly for exercise. Examples: I go jogging every morning. She likes jogging in the park. Do you jog alone or with friends? 8. Play an instrument. To make music with something like a guitar, piano, or violin. Examples: I play the guitar. My sister plays the piano. Do you play any instruments? 9. Take photos. To use a camera or phone to capture pictures. Examples: I love taking photos when I travel. He takes beautiful photos of nature. Do you like photography? 10. Travel. To go to new places. Examples: I want to travel around the world. She loves to travel to new countries. Have you ever traveled abroad? 2. Talking about weekend plans. So, Paul, what are your plans for the weekend?
I'm thinking about going hiking. What about you?
I might stay home and cook something new.
That sounds delicious. What do you like to cook?
I love making pasta and trying new recipes.
Yum. I'll come over if you make extra.
Laughs. Sure, you're welcome anytime.
Vocabulary and examples. Part 3. 11. Go hiking. Walk in nature, often on trails or mountains. Examples. I go hiking on Sundays. We went hiking in the forest. Hiking is great exercise. 12. Cook. To make food. Examples. I like to cook for my family. She cooks very well. What do you like to cook? 13. Try new things. To do something you haven't done before. Examples. I like to try new foods. Let's try something different today. Trying new things makes life exciting. 14. Listen to music. Enjoy songs for fun. Examples. I listen to music every day. What kind of music do you like? Listening to music helps me relax. 15. Spend time with. To be with someone you like. Examples. I spend time with my family on weekends. He spends time with his dog after work. Who do you like to spend time with? 3. Paul's busy weekend. Paul, narrating. Last weekend, I had so much fun. On Saturday morning, I went jogging in the park. Then I met my friend for lunch. In the evening, I watched a movie and relaxed. On Sunday, I went hiking in the hills. It was beautiful. I took many photos. Later, I cooked dinner with my family. It was a perfect weekend.
Emily. That sounds amazing, Paul. You really know how to enjoy your free time.
Paul. Thanks. What about you, Emily? What did you do?
Emily. I stayed home, read a new book, and listened to music. Simple, but relaxing.
Paul. Nice. Everyone has their own way to have fun.
Extra practice. Repeat after us. Now it's your turn. Repeat after us. Paul and Emily, alternating. What do you do for fun? I like to read books. I go out with friends. I play the guitar. I watch movies on weekends. I like to travel and take photos. I spend time with my family. I relax and listen to music.
Great job, everyone. You're improving your English step by step.
Yes, The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel when speaking.
Let's quickly review what we learned today.
We practiced how to ask and answer, "What do you do for fun?"
We learned many useful words like hobby, relax, hang out, travel, go jogging, and spend time with.
We also listened to real conversations about free time activities.
And you practiced speaking with us. Well done.
That's all for today's lesson. What do you do for fun? Tell us in the comments below.
And don't forget, practice speaking English every day, even for just 5 minutes.
If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe to Mr. English Learnings.
See you next time for another fun English lesson.
Bye, everyone.